Chapter 9. Step-by-Step Thinking. Tech Surf. In this chapter we will learn stepwise thinking, case studies, reasoning. In our day-to-day life, to solve problem, we follow step-by-step thinking for better results. This procedure helps to find solution to any problem or task. Let us consider our routine task of arranging the school bag according to the timetable. Step 1. Open the school bag and make sure it's empty. Step 2. See the timetable for the specific day from school diary. Step 3. Bring books and notebooks from the bookshelf. Step 4. Keep some books and notebooks in one section of the school bag according to the subject's periods for the first half. Step 5. Keep remaining books and notebooks in the second section of the school bag according to the subject's periods for the second half. Step 6. Keep the pencil box, coloring kit, diary and tiffin in another section of the school bag. Step 7. Zip the school bag. This is how the school bag is arranged accordingly every day by following above steps. If we do not follow these steps in sequence, we will be unable to perform the required task. For example, if we replace step 7 with step 4, it will not work properly. It proves that, to solve any problem or to complete any task, a procedure need to be followed. In this chapter, we will consider some interesting and useful solutions to the everyday problems. Tech Insights. Sub 1 Reloaded is the fastest robot to solve a Rubik's Cube in 0.637 seconds, built by Albert Baer, Germany. Stepwise thinking. A kind of thinking activity with a purpose or goal in mind is known as stepwise thinking. The stepwise instructions help in converting complicated tasks into simple steps, which helps in completing a task easily and efficiently. For example, planning a birthday party, vacation and more. Every activity can be performed by following a sequence of steps to achieve the desired goal. In the same way, computer follows out instructions and works accordingly in a step-by-step manner. It takes instructions from an input device, processes it, and then gives the result on output device. This process is called IPO, input, process, output cycle. It also solves the problems in a step-by-step procedure to give us accurate results. Let us consider an interesting case study of a real-life situation and understand how it helps us. Follows the steps for step-wise thinking. Analyze the task. Break up the task into simple steps. Predict the possible solution. Tech Insights. Computational thinking means thinking like a computer. A computer can only work using step-by-step instructions. These step-by-step instructions is called programming. Case studies. A case study refers to a task which is based on real-life situations. In this, we have to analyze the situation and solve it with the help of step-wise thinking. Suppose we have to throw a party at home to our friends and relatives. How will we organize everything for the party? Step 1. Analyze the task. Here the task is throwing a party. Step 2. Now, let us break it into simple steps as follows. A. How many guests will be invited? B. How many invitation cards will be printed? C. What games and snacks will be arranged for the party? Step 3. Implement the possible solutions. For example, for 10 guests, we have to book cake, snacks and return gifts. Case study 1. 4 of your friends are coming to your house to play board game on a Saturday evening. As they will be at your place for 2 to 3 hours, you sit with your mother and plan all the things that you have to do. Follow the given steps to do this. Step 1. Decide time and place with your friends. Step 2. Decide the room in your home where you all will play. Step 3. Ask your mother to cook some snacks for your friends. Step 4. Welcome your friends at your house. Step 5. Offer them a welcome drink. Step 6. Start playing the game. Step 7. Enjoy snacks with your friends after the game. Step 8. Bid farewell to friends. Case study 2. Let's organize the party at home. We have to plan everything in a step-by-step manner. Follow the steps to organize the party. Step 1. Thinking and planning in advance for the party. Step 2. Preparation of invitation cards and guest list. Step 3. Printing of the invitation cards. Step 4. Distribution of cards to the guests. Step 5. Organizing everything in advance for the party. Step 6. Getting ready for party. Step 7. Welcoming the guests. Step 8. Engaging the guests in games zone. Step 9. Cake cutting ceremony. Step 10. Dinner and farewell. If we miss one step or do not write the steps in the correct order, the output will not be what we want it to be. Reasoning. Reasoning is the ability of the mind to think and understand things in a logical way in order to form a conclusion or judgment to do the task. Reasoning skills are essential in our day-to-day life. We use them to make choices among possible options and decide how to approach a problem and solve it. Suppose you have been invited to your cousin's marriage but you also have your school exam. This requires reasoning, since you must consider the two choices and try to balance attending marriage with class test. Let us understand reasoning with the help of some examples. Example 1. Look at the following arrangement of bars. 8, 11, 14, 33, 5, 9, 12, 26, 3, 6, 10. Question mark. In the above pyramids, if we observe the pattern, we will find that the last bar in every pyramid contains a number which is the sum of the first three numbers. Therefore, in the last pyramid, the fourth bar will have 3 plus 6 plus 10 equals 19. Example 2. Look at the following picture puzzle. In this puzzle, the arrow in the middle moves 90 degrees clockwise in every step. At the same time, the mathematical symbols are also moving clockwise from one step to another. Therefore, the next step in the pattern will be data vault. Stepwise thinking is a procedure that helps to find solution to any problem or task. Computer follows IPO input process output cycle to solve the problems in a step-by-step procedure. If we solve a problem in a step-by-step procedure, it will give accurate result. We use reasoning skills to make choices among possible options and decide how to approach a problem and solve it. Tech Bytes. Stepwise thinking. A kind of thinking activity with a purpose or goal in mind. Case study. A task which is based on real-life situations. Reasoning. It is the ability of the mind to think and understand things in a logical way in order to form a conclusion or judgment to do the task.